An orca stopped the yacht and would not leave it alone. When the tourists realized that the whale seemed to be asking for help, they quickly reached out to it and tried calming it down while calling an animal rescue team. Once the team arrived, they noticed there was a group of baby orca acting erratic and seemed to be trying to lead them somewhere, so they didn't let up and followed the calves. As they got closer, they realized an adult orca had its tail tangled in a fishing net. Turns out the youngsters were trying to get some help to save their mother. The rescue team quickly went to work, and the mother was calm and cooperative the whole time. It seemed that she knew they were trying to help. Once the mother was free, she let out a loud cry as to say thank you to the rescuers, and then came back with food as a gift for them.